I'm going to explain to you why you should join the group, what's in it for you, and then what the group basically is all about, right? In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, it's Pierre, and welcome to our private Facebook group. So if you're a new member, welcome to our family. And if you're a returning member or you're one of my students, then welcome back. So I want to do two things in this video, okay? The first thing I want to cover is what this group is all about, and then the second thing I want to cover is exactly what's in it for you. Alright guys, so this group is all about apartment locating, okay? It's a really strange and interesting sub-niche within real estate. So if you have a real estate license or you're a real estate agent, this is basically like a job title and industry that has been unnoticed for a really long amount of time. Apartment locating is basically the business model where as a real estate agent, you're brokering and you're connecting a potential tenant over to just a standard apartment complex, right? So if you've ever worked with rentals inside of real estate, it's a little bit different from leasing like a rental home where you're working and dealing with a private owner. It's a little bit different from condos or duplexes or quadruplexes. Really, the majority of what we do, again, is work with like usually large management companies that manage multifamily apartment rentals. The service is totally free for our clients, and then we get paid a referral commission, which is typically a percentage of the first month's rent from the management company, right? They have a marketing budget set aside where they pay apartment locators after we refer them a tenant. So typically I see 75 or 100% of the first month's rent as the average commission. You know, so if you lease a 2-bedroom for $1,400, your commission is $1,400, right? So the commission isn't really that large, but what's really interesting is how many times you can actually connect your clients, tenants, to apartment complexes. You can do this a dozen times in a month or more. One month I leased over 30 clients, right? In a single month, I connected the tenant to an apartment complex. You know, so you take the average lease commission of $1,000 and multiply that 8 times or 12 times or 20 times in a month, and you're easily making 6 figures for the year. That's why this industry is so super exciting. That's why I have a whole entire Facebook group and a whole entire YouTube channel that covers this type of business model, which is apartment locating. So if you've never heard of apartment locating, you need to get into the game, okay? Because there's tons of commissions floating around and money moving around. And it's a really cool way to part-time from home make 6 figures for the year, truly. So no fluff, no hype. You can actually work from home as long as you have Wi-Fi and a laptop. Send over lists to people, and then when they tour by themselves and apply, you just send out a bill to the apartment complex, right? So the whole entire job can be done remotely from home, right? So I hope I explained that well, and then let's get on to the second thing, right? What's in it for you? A lot of the group members in here and a lot of my students have been asking a lot about, you know, Facebook ads and online ads and marketing, right? So what I did for you guys is I actually created a Facebook ads cheat sheet ebook, right? It took me a long time to do it, but I got it done, got the design done. It's awesome, right? So you guys can get a free Facebook ads ebook along with a second ebook that I created. Basically, I like to call it the agent career switch kit, but it basically covers apartment locating and then becoming a real estate agent for the first time, right? So I created 2 ebooks for you guys. Just go grab them. They're totally free, and it took me a lot of effort to just, you know, construct for you guys. So grab all the free resources like above my head, wherever they are, right? Click on the see more or wherever it is, and then grab all those free links and then download your free cheat sheets and ebooks, right? It'll help you market in the best way, and it'll cover apartment locating a little bit better. So I've been in the apartment locating industry for 6 years, right? So I basically know this industry like the back of my hand. And over the last 16 or 18 months, I've developed a masterclass that literally takes brand new agents from A to Z exactly how to get started with apartment locating, right? So how to market, exactly what the job title is, how to talk to people, sales scripts, everything you can dream about with apartment locating. I've designed a masterclass, right? So if you're one of my students, you already know sort of what my program's all about. But if you're new and you're interested in apartment locating, I'd love to be your coach. I'd love to be your mentor. And what I've done is above me, I've also included a free sign-up link, limited time only, but it's a free sign-up link where you can sign up for a mini course, which will give you sort of an introduction on my teachings. So grab the freaking mini course before the limited time trial runs out. It's a free download right now. And you can check out some apartment locating training above, right? And the last thing I want to say is that what separates me from other real estate gurus or mentors or coaches, right, is that I actually care about every single one of my members and every single one of my students, right? So you're always welcome to post questions in here regarding real estate or apartment locating or marketing, sales funnels, Facebook ads, Google ads. It doesn't even matter, right? I will always just personally answer every single one of your questions. And I'm super, super excited that you joined the group, right? I really want to make this community real, and I want to make it really, really valuable for people to learn more about real estate in general, and then learn more about this, like, basically this secret industry that not a lot of agents even know about, which is apartment locating. So welcome to my group family. Thank you so much for listening to me, and go grab all your resources above me. All right, guys, I'm out.